hurt my
We
knee.
stopped.
Joey. I stretched my knee on the carpet, Joey. That's
Stretching
exciting.
your-
That's exciting.
Mine too.
Yay!
Yes.